Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the TSV indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the TSV indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 25 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 386 indicators with a total of 156 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 156 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back out and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the TSV indicator, the time segmented volume indicator. And this one was recommended by one of the regular viewers on the channel. And basically what was suggested was that we wait for the line. First of all, let me go in here and do this. Let's bump up these a little bit here. Like this. There we go. Make it a little bit more visible. And so what was suggested is that we wait for the line to break the 0 to either the downside or the upside. And then the red bars need to be either below, if we're on the downside, below the green line. I believe this is how the viewer suggested that we try it. The red bar needs to be below the green line on the downside, or if we are on the upside, then it needs to be above the green line or crossing up above the green line, and then we will go either short or long. And so to see this a little bit better, let's go ahead and start testing here. So we pick up the first signal right here, and so what we have is the green line crosses up above the 0, and a red bar has spiked itself above the green line. And so in this case, that would be a long signal right there. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit more, and looks like we got to take profit pretty nicely. Go ahead and continue forward. Like I said, I believe this is the way that the viewer wanted us to test it. And I'm not sure if we are to take every spike above it or not. Basically, the viewer said that when the line is above and a red bar crosses up above, then that is a long. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and just continue these continuation style signals like this. So there's another long right there, and that one got us to take profit as well. All right, over here on this side, we pick up a short right here. And so the green crosses down below the 0, and a red bar is now spiked below the green line there. Since we are on the downside, we're looking for it to go down, and another decent trade there. Now over here on this side, looks like we pick up signal to the short side right there. So the red bars retreat into the green line there and then come back down, spiking itself down there. Unfortunately, that one is going to be a loser, so that is our first losing signal right there. Over here on this side, we get the cross of the green line here, and let's double check. Yep, the red bar was above it. Unfortunately, pretty bad timing. You can see here that price almost immediately reverses course to the downside, yeah, would have stopped us out there. Then we pick up another long right there on that one. This one looks like it was able to just barely squeeze out, take profit. All right, continue forward here some. And looks like our next signal is going to be right there. Short signal. Right there to there, and barely squeezes out, take profit. So far we're doing really decent on this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the video here. That way things don't get too long, and I'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord down below. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms that we give out to all the patrons. Our regular members, as well as the admins, also post regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And another thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so the Excel sheet, the Excel list, shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers with their win rates, as well as links to the videos to go back and view those strategies. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested. That list of indicators show which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates as well. And so you'll get both those lists as a patron. A lot of really great benefits to being a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and get everything in focus, and then we will get a count on this thing here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 winners. And so that is definitely going to meet the 60% criteria. Very, very decent indicator. Huge thank you to Steve Hope for pointing this one out for us and showing us his little take on how exactly to use it. This thing did really, really good and did a really decent amount of trades in 1 year's time. So that is definitely something that indicators struggle to do. So again, thank you, Steve. We really appreciate it. This one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.